we will write this style for H3, which is the text from idea to life. So let's make it uppercase. Let's make, first of all, let's tell our browser that we want to use the font family, not this one, that we want to use the font family this one that we like. And it's gonna be cursive. And then we're gonna add some, let's make it bigger. Then we're gonna add font size, which is pretty small, 12 pixels, because we are doing mobile first. And text transform to uppercase, which is good for any changes in future. If somebody comes to your code and change the text here from idea to life to something else, he might forget that it should be uppercase, so he will type lowercase, but it will be automatically made uppercase through this property here, through this text transform uppercase. And then picture before H3, so we wanna this H3 picture before H3. Oops. We need to make it the color white. FFF. And the color will be 222. Oh no, I don't want 222. I want blue, like in these jeans blue. So it's something else. It's 214569. I found it in Photoshop. Because it looks much nicer when your color will be repeated here on the jeans, here on this handle, here on this text. Then we should style our text, which is P. Comparison slider. Comparison slider P. And here we go, font family. For the font family, we need another one, which we have in our Google Fonts, this one. For the font size, we will take 8 pixels. Because it is for mobile first. And then let's give our picture before the index 1. And then let's make our handle. So the handle is this line, vertical line. And we are going to position at absolute because it depends on all the section, how it is positioned. And then display block. And we will position it obviously top 0 in the beginning, but then it will be skewed. That's why it will be skewed from the middle, and that's why I put here top 50%. Thinking about future already. And left we put to 50%, which means that the handle will be in the center. If you want it to be positioned somewhere else, you could put 30% or 40% or 70%, how you want, depending on your preferences. And then the height of this handle will be not 100%, because if it will be 100%, it will be too short. When it is skewed, it should be longer. So let's make it 120%. It's enough for me. If it's not enough for you, you can make it bigger. And the width for small screens on mobile, let's make it 2 pixels. Background color. Background color will be the same as these jeans. We will transform this handle, make it rotate. Let's say 15 degrees. I don't want it to be more than 15 because I would like to see the face of this model. See? But you can make the number bigger and then translate minus 50%. So it will position our handle the way we want. Transform origin top and z-index, let's give it the biggest z-index 3, so it will be always on the top, always closer to the user. Let's style our picture after. Picture / after. So we will give it property transform skew, and here again the same number as you rotated the handle. So if we have 15 here, we put skew 15 degree over here, and then we will add margin left. I will add it minus 2000. If you need less, you add less. So it will position the width. We need to calculate it actually. So we will calculate it in formula 50 viewport width plus 2000 pixels. So it's important that you have the same number here, 2000, 2000. And the index for it, we add 2. And then the content, or picture after picture content wrap, picture after picture content wrap. We need to give here opposite numbers. So if it was 15 degrees, we add minus 2. Oh, actually no, we need to have here minus, and here it will be plus. Sorry for that. And then it was minus 2000 here, and we need 2000 here. So that's it for the styles. We just need to add some media queries. Why? Because what we have over here right now, if we inspect it, Command Alt I, we see it's on small screen. The font size looks okay, but on bigger screens it looks not okay. So we will apply some styles, we will change some styles for this content for the bigger screens. So let's go to our CSS style and just add some media queries. Add medium, min width, (451 pixel, which is standard, so you can repeat the same. And here, what we are telling the browser by adding these media queries, we are telling that for them small screens, use all the styles you see here above. And then for the screens beginning from 451 and up, change the styles that I tell here. So we will change comparison slider H3, this style, we will change the font size to 16 pixels, and then we will change comparison slider P, which is here, the font size, to 10 pixels. And this is like a tablet or medium screen. Then we add the same. So let's just copy. We change the same styles, but not for tablet, rather for desktop. Minimum width is 769, which is also standard. So here the font size, let's put it to 20, And for the text, let's put it to 34. And for the handle, I don't want the handle to be so tiny anymore, so I want to increase the width of the handle. So let's make it 3.5 pixel. And then the same styles we change for extra large screens. So we put here media query for something which is starting from 1025. Again, it's standard, so you can repeat these numbers: 451, 769, and 1025. And here, let's make it 24 pixels. Let's leave 34. And let's make the handle 5. Let's make it 35. And that's it. That's it for the styles. But you don't see much here because we need JavaScript code yet. Obviously we need JavaScript.